Here's an area underneath the tree, which a little bit of algae, I think, and it just doesn't dry as fast, gets slippery with the flagstone. So we're trying some non-slip strips here. And what I'm doing is I'm taking the top coat, I'm wetting the whole thing down really good. Taking some of the top coat and doing just a little bit across, giving a little curve to it, so it's got a little bit of look to it. And doing it so that no matter where you put your foot, a normal adult shoe is going to hit part of it. And then we're back down to the concrete here. So you can see it. So I don't know how long it'll hold, but we're going to go ahead and do some more of it. And then we'll have to see how it holds, how long.